This high frequency mantra will rewire your energy for infinite abundance. If you use it, you'll be able to attract everything you want in life, whether that's attracting millions of dollars, quality relationships, or vibrant health. This mantra is the key to getting there. I'm being totally honest with you. I've been practicing personal development for over 25 years. And in that time, I've learned thousands of affirmations, mantras, mental tools for attracting abundance. And I promise you that what I'm about to share with you is the most powerful of them all. It is number one on the list. It is the best of the best of the best. Essentially, what I've done is combine the best practices I've learned over the past 25 years into one high frequency mantra that will rewire your energy for infinite abundance instantly. This mantra is powered by two of the most powerful concepts in the history of the world: the power of gratitude and the law of vibration. Let me talk about those quickly. Feeling gratitude is one of the most powerful things that you can feel if you want to attract abundance and live your best life. Gratitude immediately raises your frequency and aligns you with abundance. When you feel genuine gratitude, you're signaling to the universe that you already have everything you need, which energetically attracts even more of what you desire. It's a direct path out of fear, lack, and frustration and into powerful states of receiving. Neuroscience even backs this up. Studies show that practicing gratitude rewires your brain for positivity, increasing dopamine and serotonin, and even improves your physical health. Research from the HeartMath Institute shows that when you feel elevated emotions like gratitude, your heart generates a coherent electromagnetic field, which doesn't just affect your body, it actually influences the energetic field around you. So the bottom line is that gratitude tunes your energy into the station of miracles. Beyond the science, history's greatest teachers also have talked about the power of gratitude. For example, the Buddha says that contentment is the greatest wealth. Contentment, of course, is gratitude because it means that you're happy with what you have. And modern mystics like Joe Dispenza say that gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. In other words, when you focus on what you have and give thanks and embody that abundant energy, you attract more. On the other hand, when you live in constant lack, focus on what you don't have, what's missing, even the good things in your life start to slip away. So gratitude is the energetic key that unlocks more abundance. And here's the thing, gratitude by itself is very, very powerful. In fact, one of the most powerful mantras you can say is simply the two words, thank you. And that's really cool. But what's even cooler is when you combine gratitude with the law of vibration. Let's talk about that. The law of vibration states that your emotional states vibrate at a specific frequency and that what you're feeling internally will actually manifest and translate into the three-dimensional world. So whatever your dominant emotional states vibrates at, when you embody the energy, those are the things that will show up in the physical world. So that's why if you have awesome feelings like abundance, joy, and love, you'll attract more of those things. And one of the most amazing things is that you do not have to do anything in order to feel that abundance, those dominant, powerful states, because they are already within you. Here's a metaphor to help you understand this. Imagine the surface of the ocean during a storm. It's chaotic, noisy, overwhelming. But if you dive deep below the surface, there's that calm, powerful depth that's always there. That deep part of the ocean, that's your natural abundance. And most people, they live on the surface, constantly reacting to every wave of fear, comparison, scarcity, whatnot. But when you drop into those deeper levels of your being, which I'm about to show you how to do in just a second, you align with the limited abundance that is already within you. So with all that said, here's the mantra that will attract infinite abundance in your life. It's this: I'm grateful to feel this deep state of joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance. I'll repeat it. I'm grateful to feel this deep state of joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance. I'm grateful to feel this deep state of joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance. When you say those words, I want you to really feel what it feels like to feel joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance. All right? I'm grateful to feel this deep state of joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance. When you say this mantra to yourself or out loud, it's impossible not to get into a grateful, high frequency state that attracts abundance into your life. One reason why this mantra is so powerful is because when you say it, you're expressing the gratitude for the abundance and joy that is already there. No force required. And I found this mantra to be a lot more powerful than other mantras and affirmations that law of attraction teachers teach, like I am prosperous, or I feel prosperous, or I am abundance. Because when you say those things, but you don't actually feel prosperous, that can actually a negative effect because you're resisting it. And those feelings of resistance are actually low vibrational frequencies. They put you into a low vibrational state, which will result in low vibrational results in the real world. But when we use our mantra, which again is, I'm grateful to feel this deep state of joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance, it's a really elegant way of calling attention to the unlimited abundance that is already present within you. There's no searching or forcing necessary. So the structure of this mantra is very simple. You're basically saying, I'm grateful to feel this deep state of, then insert the abundant feeling you want to have. But if you don't love my version, you might consider something like, I'm grateful to feel this deep state of divine love, or I'm grateful to feel this deep state of pure prosperity. So have fun with it. There's no possible way that you can get this wrong. I also point out that you can do this mantra when you close your eyes, pause, and go within. And you can also use it when you're out and about, when your eyes are open and you're going out with your everyday life. This is because that force, whatever you want to call it, God, source, the universe, the divine, whatever you want to call it, it's around us at all times. So I do encourage you to actually meditate and go deep on this mantra. That's going to be very, very, very powerful for you. Like, for example, the Yogananda says that the kingdom of God is not in the clouds in some designated point of space. It is right behind the darkness that you perceive with your eyes closed. At the same time, when you do open your eyes, you can see that the presence of God is everywhere. It's really easy to see this when you observe nature, for example. Even like just looking at the cloud in the sky or a tree on the street, that itself can be enough for you to trigger this mantra and trigger those feelings of abundance that we're talking about. So I recommend you, again, go within, pause, go within, even if it's just for a minute or for longer meditations, and also just use it as you're out and about. You can also use it when you get something throws you off balance, something bad happens, you get cut off on the freeway, or you lose a sale or whatnot. Just pause and just say, I'm grateful to feel this deep state of joy, inner peace, and lavish abundance, because it's always there. That is the awesome thing. So that is the powerful high frequency mantra I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed it. In my next video, I'm going to show you a special breathing ritual that completely unlocks your magnetic field. And get this ritual takes less than 1 minute to activate. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, please like and subscribe to this video if it's your first time here. This is Reich, and I'll talk to you next time. See ya.